Ever wanted to build out a van but just weren't really quite sure where to start? Well, look us up at Roost Vans because this guy, Frey, did this exact same thing. He brought his van in and we went ahead and put our smooth rail mounting system in to give him a lot of flexibility and security in whatever he chose to mount later. We also did the wiring with our Roost Vans power panel kit. We went ahead and installed that and ran all the wires, the recharge lines, etc., and also put in an Espar heater, another thing he wasn't really comfortable to do. So we took care of it. From there, we also put in a Lumar roof hatch that's also skylight, along with a Max Air vent fan and some AM auto windows, two of them to be exact, one on the driver's side and one on the sliding door. Another thing, he just wasn't really confident in doing himself. So he brought it to us. We gave him some good foundation that he could finish the rest of his build on, particularly with our new DIY panel kit available to be purchased online. Visit us at roostvans.com.